Vanakkam all, Gomes here. So after introducing Istio and its benefits and in managing the microservices, today we'll dive into the prerequisite of learning and installing the Istio. So either you can install the Istio in your local environment or production grade environment. Irrespective of that, you need to understand the prerequisite to install this, right? So let's start with the prerequisite to learn Istio. So to learn Istio, the first thing is you need to understand about the Kubernetes basic concepts, especially about the pods, the deployments, the servers, namespace, config map, secrets, and then basic commands like kubectl apply, kubectl create, kubectl logs, and all these things. And after that, try to understand the container fundamentals, that is, can be Docker. In case of Docker, try to understand the Docker run, Docker build, Docker logs, Docker push, these commands. Then with respect to networking, have the knowledge on DNS, load balancer and proxy, and especially the YAML, because all the configurations of Istio will be done using YAML. And finally, the Linux basic commands, very basic commands will suffice. Then coming to the prerequisite of installing your Istio, you need to have a Kubernetes cluster environment. When I say Kubernetes cluster environment, you can have either Kubernetes multi-node cluster, wherein you have a control plane and a couple of worker nodes. Every node should be having at least 2 CPU and 4 GB of RAM. With respect to disk space, at least have 20 GB of space across all the nodes. Or in case if you're trying it on a local laptop or a single server, you go with Minikube or code ready containers. Okay, you can go with that as well. In my case, I have installed Istio on a Mac machine. So on the Mac, I have installed Minikube. I have the container engine as Docker. So it's not that you need to have Docker container alone. You can either have container D container engine or Creo container engine as well. Okay, so to install this, make sure that you have all these basic requirements and then go and install Istio. So Istio installation, I've just given the commands here for your reference. Just by running these 3 commands, Istio will get installed along with the Istio CTL command as well. And then you can start using the Istio CTL commands and then go with deploying of the sample applications and how the traffic is being managed, how they are being observed, how they are being monitored, and all these things will come together. So we'll talk about the architecture of Istio, which contains a control plane and data plane. Until then, thank you.